Today we're making perfectly grilled veggie skewers, a healthy and delicious addition to any meal. You'll need bell peppers, zucchini, cherry tomatoes, red onion, and mushrooms. Don't forget your favorite seasonings and olive oil. Start by chopping the bell peppers and zucchini into bite-sized pieces. Keep the cherry tomatoes whole and cut the red onion into chunks. Thread the vegetables onto skewers, alternating colors for a vibrant look. Brush the skewers with olive oil and sprinkle with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs. Try garlic powder or Italian seasoning for extra flavor. Place the skewers on a preheated grill. Cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, turning occasionally until the veggies are tender and slightly charred. Remove from the grill and let them cool slightly. Serve your perfectly grilled veggie skewers as a side dish or a main course. They pair wonderfully with grilled meats or can be enjoyed on their own. Enjoy your healthy and flavorful grilled veggies. Don't forget to share your own favorite combinations in the comments and subscribe for more tasty recipes.